So guys, so far so good. Everything went smoothly, and this is the security area which we already passed through, and now we're going to the gate E78, but we are going to stop by the lounge and we'll spend some time there and do some video as well and eat, relax. We have a lot of time because we are a bit early, so we always arrive airport a lot early, so that way even if we're stuck in traffic, we are late, we are still okay because we have a lot of time in our hand. So now D is right, E is left,
So I have to go
so
to the left.
we have to go to the left, and I think that's where the lounge is. So let's go to the E and look for the lounge. So that's what we are going to try.
Is it the same lounge like last time?
Yeah, this is the Plaza Premium Lounge. You have been there a few times before.
This is my second time.
Oh, this is your second time? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so the Plaza Premium Lounge is where we are heading to, and looks like we have to go through that sets of doors, and then it's gonna be like a lot of stores and stuff, you know. They have a nice sitting area there too before you enter the lounge on the right, I kind of remember. So far everything went smooth.
And it's only what time?
Not sure, my watch, I have to wear my watch.
10:30, and our departure is 1 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
So we have plenty of time. That's why it's really good that, you know, we come to the airport so early. Yeah.
Yep. So guys, you can see that I have no watch now, so this is a quick travel hack that yep, okay, yeah. So before you go through the security, just remove your watch, money, wallet, everything, and put it in your bag.
I didn't even remove mine. And
Oh, they didn't say anything?
No.
Oh,
I
that's
think sometimes they do. They do tell.
okay. So here, another travel hack that you're seeing, a currency exchange booth. Never exchange currency at the airport. You're gonna get ripped off.
Yeah.
So always avoid airport currency exchange. So these two gentlemen and couple, they're actually going to pay a lot for.
They're getting low currency.
They're getting low change rate plus high service fees, and you can see some planes right here. Hold on. So we see Air Canada Rogue, and then another huge Air Canada. So I think our Air Canada is not here yet. I think we can keep walking.
Yeah.
I think that's where we are going. That part on the right, on the left. So we are kind of going that way. So you can see that this is a long walk, but good thing we have belt to lessen the walk a little bit. And I can see that it's 10:40. Looks like
10:40.
10:40. Okay. So actually,
I think that is advanced, or maybe my.
oh, that's
I
not
think-
right.
No. I'm saying maybe my watch is late, 5 minutes late.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not it. 5 minutes late is okay.
Security pat me down and then you turn around afterwards. Really?
Yeah, this is a long. I see a Tim Hortons there, right there. Tim Hortons, but we are not going to Tim Hortons. because we have to go to the lounge. How is your weight? Is it okay?
Yeah.
You don't feel heavy, right?
No, my bag is okay.
It's perfect. Okay, that's good.
I didn't even put on my
What?
the tag.
They didn't give us. Oh, your tag?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a tag. I gave you a tag.
No, on the
From the plane?
Yeah.
No, they didn't give any tag. But I remember Eva Air, they gave us a tag. Okay, so you can see that that's our lounge, Plaza Premium,
I can
right
see it,
there.
see it. Ahead.
So we are going
Straight
to.
ahead.
Oh yeah, you can see the.
Straight ahead.
Yeah, but that's not our lounge.
Oh, that's not ours?
No.
What's ours? We have to go upstairs?
I think we have to go down and
Oh, down.
come back, go back up again. That's the way I remember.
Okay.
We have to go
So
down and
I
come.
thought that's
Yeah, that's
where
different
we're
lounge.
going.
But it's very close to the gate, our lounge.
Sorry, go.
Oh,
go.
sure.
Yeah,
Thank you. So you're going to make a. I think you have to go straight. So one big advantage is that the lounge is very close to the gate. So here you can see some nice expensive stores. And then
Burberry.
oh, this is Burberry, okay. I don't know. And then Longchamp. There are many other stores here. And then you have some. So for people who don't go to lounge, they can actually have a seat here. And this has a very nice area also. You can see that they have like Wi-Fi and stuff. So this is Gate 78 is going to be somewhere there.
Yeah.
We're very close. Now let's go to the lounge. And I think I remember going up, but where's the entrance to the lounge?
No.
It's somewhere very close, but we just have to find it. Wait. Oh, it shows here this way. So you have to go to the right. Okay, I think it's this way.
The other way?
Yeah, this way. Okay, so actually that means our lounge is just right next to the gate,
Yeah.
which is
so close.
yeah, which is a good plus point. And you know, the airport doesn't look that busy now. I think because it's a holiday and also Monday. So a good thing that it's not too busy, because if it's too busy, sometimes there's like waiting at the lounge, and I don't like it. So I can see the lounge entrance is going to be to the left. So and we have to go one floor up again to get to the lounge. And here there's another nice sitting area. You can buy sandwich or stuff from the store and just sit here. And
Okay, this is the going to Plaza Premium Lounge.
yeah, so this is where we are going to go. You can take the elevator, and
You can take the elevator or you can walk.
you can also take the stairs, but let's just take the elevator because we're gonna have to do too much walking anyway.
Yeah, and I have my backpack.
Yep. Oh, why it's not coming?